And thanks for joining us this early morning on Result Day. It is the day of reckoning and expectations are soaring high as exit polls are predicting a win for the NDA. But questions are being asked about whether can the next government address India's concerns. Will the Narendra Modi-led NDA government be able to deliver on the key issues of economy and corruption? They have to get there. The race to 7 RCR is still on, but once they get there, the challenges remain.
हमारी भरपूर कोशिश रही है गुड गवर्नेंस एंड डेवलपमेंट पे आगे ले जाना। मैं विश्वास से कहता हूं इन्हीं मुद्दों के कारण हमें जन समर्थन मिला है।
His confidence is soaring. Expectations are high. But can Narendra Modi really address India's biggest concerns?
Let's take a look at the 4 crucial issues that are staring at the nation right now and what the NDA proposes to do about them.
Well, number 1 is the economy. Price rise, slow GDP growth, diesel prices have again gone up. The NDA proposes to bring in some fiscal discipline by revisiting a lot of the policies. Subsidy burden has to be reduced. Banking reforms are in the offing. Will they happen? Will they walk the talk? That's the big question.
Absolutely. And one of the other major election planks this time was corruption. Now, let's take a look at what's happened there. As far as the UPA is concerned, we've seen 10 major scams. That's more than 10,000 crore rupees, perhaps more than that. What the NDA proposes to do is emphasize on technology which will enable e-governance, thereby cutting down the chances of any kind of scams happening. Let's take a look at some of those scams. 2G, Colgate, CWG, all of that very much fresh in public memory. What the NDA proposes to do is create greater public awareness, and very, very strongly they've talked about policy-driven governance.
From corruption, the other big issue is internal security. We've lost a lot of lives, civilian and also of the forces. 75 Jawans in Dantewada in 2010. They need to empower and revamp the police force. That is something which even Narendra Modi has often talked about. Revive the anti-terror mechanism and strengthen the NIA. That's the big challenge which the UPA could not achieve.
And Narendra Modi has also, Anand, talked about his foreign policy. Even in the Frankly Speaking with Arnab, he's talked about it, he's hinted at it. Foreign policy, let's take a look at that too, because that's also one area where the UPA has failed, because it failed to frame any sort of consistent policy to check terrorism, which is one of the biggest problems facing the nation right now. The NDA pledges zero tolerance for terrorism and also claims that it will not be conciliatory to Pakistan's interests in Jammu and Kashmir.
So 4 top jobs and they will have to hit the ground running.
With the exit poll numbers suggesting a massive victory, after 10 years of criticizing UPA's rule, if the NDA forms government, how quickly can their poster boy Narendra Modi deliver on key issues? It will have to be seen whether a turnaround is a possibility or if it's too much to ask for. Bureau Report, Times Now.